Hi, I'm here at our test stand with Doug, and we're talking about the difference between the LBH head and the Arcer head. This is an LBH head over here, and Doug has an Arcer head in his hand. Can you tell us what the difference between the two is?
Yes. Previous to 1998, we made the LBH head. And the LBH head was a great head, except you had to watch and listen very carefully or you would blow your circuit breakers. In 1998, we replaced it with the Arcer head, which has an LED indicating how much amperage you're pulling, and you can adjust your speed to the LED. It also has a fine little chart on the back that tells you what electrode to use for what size screw or tap you are burning out.
So the Arcer head is better than the LBH head, but they're very similar.
Yes, they perform about the same, but the Arcer head is kind of foolproof in that you won't stick your electrode by trying to move too fast.
What happens when you try to move too fast?
It will blow your circuit breaker on your machine.
Okay, same difference. Thank you, Doug.